Imagine a situation where two candidates are applying for a job. They have the same qualifications, same education, same experience, same skills. One of the candidates believes he's going to ace the interview, whereas the other is insecure about his interviewing skills and predicts that he won't even get the job. The confident person might enter the interview with a big smile on their face and answer all the questions with ease and confidence, whereas the more insecure person might appear nervous during the interview and stumble upon their answers and really have doubt in their qualifications. Who do you think is most likely to get this job? Probably the first person, who believed in themselves and acted on that belief, instead of the second person who believed they would fail and acted on that belief. How do we explain what happened here? Let's take a look at the self-fulfilling prophecy to try to understand. Self-fulfilling prophecies are expectations that people have which can affect their behavior in such a way that that expectation actually comes true. In the 1960s, there was concern over the possibility that teachers were treating minority group students less favorably than they were treating majority group students. This resulted in the minority group students falling further behind. To determine these effects, a very important study took place. Researchers went to an elementary school and administered an IQ test to all of the students. They told the teachers that some students scored incredibly high and were expected to bloom academically that year. This, of course, wasn't true. The students who were expected to bloom were picked at random. However, the results were clear. 8 months later, the students were all given the same IQ test, and students who were expected to bloom scored significantly higher than those in the control group, those who weren't randomly selected to bloom that year. How could this possibly have happened if the students were picked at random? It turns out the teachers gave the students they expected to bloom that year more attention, more challenging tasks, more and better feedback, and more opportunities in the class. To sum up, the teachers acted in ways that benefited the students they expected to bloom that year, and so those students actually did. The teachers' expectations about these students affected their behavior towards these students, which made these expectations a reality. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.